I don't know where we're going. I have a feeling we're going to the school. It's 5:46 in the morning. I got about 80 degrees, 82 degrees. And it's gonna be so hot today. So I had to walk them early. It's gonna be over 110 today, like maybe 111 or 112. Hey, Mills and Stills. How are you, everybody? Check out Mills and Stills. Mills and Stills. That's a mouthful. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for that thumbs up. I appreciate that. Yeah, it's just an early walk because it's going to be so hot today. Good morning, Carrie Thompson. How are you? It's good to see you. Mills, millions, Yeah, Mills and Millies and Stills and Stells. I'm so sorry I'm butchering it, and I know it's very simple. A truck is hauling a truck. Fox really doesn't like being recorded anymore. After 6 years, he's tired of having the camera in his face for everything he does. So it's getting harder and harder to make videos. Getting ready for work. Hi, Eugen Bliss. I was thinking about you the other day. Everybody check out Eugen Bliss, The Road to Happiness. Yeah, I was thinking about you because I'm getting a new book dedicated to Fox's channel that I write everything in. Like when I'm gonna do a shout out or something, I'll write down all the information. But I was re-putting the list in, and I saw I did a shout out for Eugen Bliss, I think last year, the year before. What do you do, Carrie? Hi, Foxy the cat. Happy Monday. Yeah, right. Is there any such thing as a happy Monday? I'm just kidding. No, we're having a great day. So far, it's been really good. Thanks so much for the thumbs up. You guys are awesome. I appreciate it. I'd rather say thank you for the thumbs up than please make a thumbs up. You're a customer service rep. Oh, you put up with so much. I bet you're really good at it. Is that how I know you, or you just found the channel? I don't know. I tell everybody, so I never know. Well, it's real good to see you. I'm going to send positive vibes your way for a good day of cooperative customers. It can't be easy being I don't know if you've seen the animated videos with, I got business to take care of. With Veronica, she's an office customer service rep. And she, where do you leave it? This poop matches the leaves. Wait, Fox, I gotta pick it up. Oh. Sorry for that view. You didn't want to see what I had going on, and I had to focus, so. Hang on a minute, I'm wrapping a bag.